फिल्म शुरू करने से पहले मतलब एलिफेंट्स कूदते हैं मेरे स्टमक में एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक व्हेन द डायरेक्टर सेज एक्शन व्हाट एम आई गोना डू आई डोंट नो.
हाय, थैंक यू नीरज, थैंक यू अदिति। आई एम सो ग्लैड हम आज यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं। मुझे एक सवाल आपसे, आप दोनों से यहाँ से शुरू करना है कि व्हाई दिस स्टोरी, बिकॉज आई वाज आल्सो गोइंग थ्रू अदर conversations that you had earlier where Neeraj you have said that class conflict somehow वो फिल्म में वो लेयरिंग नहीं होता है या नहीं दिखाया जाता है जैसे दिखाया जाना चाहिए. I mean, as a society we all know that how layered are we. So as a director, how difficult or easy it was for you to show this in this story?
See, approaching intersectionality is obviously going to be difficult in terms of writing or performing or directing it. But I definitely wanted this challenge because I wanted to take this up because I myself have grown up wary of presenting people in isolation. क्योंकि आपकी आइडेंटिटी एक सिंगुलर आइडेंटिटी नहीं होती. You live many truths in the world.
Okay.
Like let's say if we all are artists from the industry, but we are also the function of the state. We're also a function of a certain thing. So I think one of the last examples that I can think of is in Abhishek Chaube's film, where there is a point of intersectionality that's brilliantly shown where, Bandit, when Bandit is approached by this character. So that was a very good example. But for me, I want to acknowledge the fused identities of people, and I want to acknowledge that a subaltern doesn't exist by itself in isolation. It exists with multiple things. It exists with your different personalities and that you're also a function of the state.
You wanted to show it, yes, but was it difficult? Was it easy? Because black and white तो आसान ही होता है, grey ही मुश्किल होता है. Though we all are grey.
Correct. It was very difficult. No, I agree with you 100%. But it's so difficult to because जैसे अगर आप एक आइडेंटिटी की बात कर रहे हैं and you are doing right by it, it could happen that inadvertently you do wrong to the other identity. तो इसके मद्देनजर मुझे क्या करना पड़ा कि like I wanted to bring in people from the communities and borrow from their lived experience. Because देखिए जैसे अगर I am male at the end and no matter how much I empathize, no matter how much I internalize it, I cannot completely understand the lived experience of what women go through. So I had to bring in people from the queer community, bring in people from the Dalit community to make my understanding and do right by it. So the difficulty was playing one identity versus the other.
Aditi, hi. My question is for you. कितना मुश्किल था ये कैरेक्टर प्ले करना, क्योंकि प्रिविलेजेस भी हैं, पेट्रियार्की का प्रेशर भी है, एंड यू कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी डिफरेंट बैकग्राउंड, यू हैव सीन अ डिफरेंट लाइफ एंड द काइंड ऑफ फिल्म्स दैट यू हैव आल्सो डन, यू हैव बीन वेरी चूजी अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ वर्क दैट यू डू. तो कितना मुश्किल या आसान था प्रिया की स्किन को अडॉप्ट करना?
If you understand the character also, it is different because you're still playing somebody else. It is not you. You are also finding that character along with the director, breathing life into their vision, and also putting yourself into it, because only when you put yourself into it does it then become real, to you and hopefully to the people who are watching. So I feel that you have to completely invest in it without judgment. तो चाहे आप कैरेक्टर को जाने, चाहे आप नहीं जाने, it is as challenging and as much of a, जैसे फिल्म शुरू करने से पहले मतलब एलिफेंट्स कूदते हैं मेरे स्टमक में एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक व्हेन द डायरेक्टर सेज एक्शन व्हाट एम आई गोना डू आई डोंट नो. एंड देन वो जो पहला शॉट हो जाता है, then you feel like this is Priya, okay chalo abhi yahan se roll kariye, then I'm excited to do the second shot, then it's like then I can run. I mean, I feel like that. I don't know whether it happens, doesn't happen, but I feel like that. So Priya, of course, very very different in terms of everything about her, very different from me, especially her context and the situation that she's dealing with, very different. But I think जो वो सिनेमा का जो मैजिक है वो like which maybe a lot of people don't realize, or maybe even I didn't realize when I started. It is so important to have a script that is very complete in itself in terms of the character and the way the characters are fleshed out and how honest they are to their reality in the script itself, and how they are dealing with whatever it is that they're dealing with in the script. And I think that जब वो सही होता है और जब आप कि director जो हैं, he has complete control of at least an understanding of what it is that he wants to do, and he's very clear. The intent is very, very, clear and out there that this is what we're making. It makes the life of an actor like really, really happy and quite effortless. और जो न्यूआंसेस हैं वो खुद ब खुद आपके सामने एक अच्छे एक्टर होते हैं, एक डायरेक्टर है हु इज गिविंग यू अ लॉट ऑफ information. It somewhere subconsciously works, and then you're responding to everything around you, and ultimately कोई भी कॉन्टेक्स्ट हो, मैं नहीं जानू वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट, बट फीलिंग होती है ना, अल्टीमेटली आई नीड टू मेक यू फील. मतलब चाहे मैं किसी भी घर की हूँ, चाहे मेरा कोई भी रिलीजन हो, इट्स अबाउट पीपल, इट्स अबाउट देयर हार्ट, इट्स अबाउट व्हाट दे फील. Ultimately, as an actor, that's what I want to get across to you. So I think I look at it in that very, very simple way, and I deal with it like that, and I hope it works.
Yes, it does work. Definitely. Neeraj ji, I wanted to ask you that, it's a short film, like, and it's not just one issue. It's gender, it's patriarchy, class conflict, sexuality, so many things. Short story में इतनी सारी चीजें, इतनी effectively कहना, how do you manage that? What is your magic?
देखिए, मुझे शॉर्ट फिल्म से बहुत लगाव है, क्योंकि ये बड़ा अच्छा चैलेंज होता है, क्योंकि आपको कम टाइम है, इसमें आपको सारी चीजें कहनी है, बट उसी के साथ भी ये एक और फ्रीडम मिलती है कि आपको जो तहे दिल से जो बोलना है, जो आपको स्टोरीज बतानी है, वो वाली फ्रीडम कहीं ना कहीं शॉर्ट फिल्म से आपको ज्यादा मिलती है. नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ एनीथिंग, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द डिजाइन ऑफ इट, दैट देयर इज नो कमर्शियल प्रेशर उतना ज्यादा नहीं है. देयर इज अ सर्टेन वे, सर्टेन डायनामिक दैट यू हैव टू अप्रोच फॉर अ थिएट्रिकल रिलीज. You don't have those pressures here, and hence you can completely be honest in what you want to say and say it the way you want to say. तो और जैसे आप जैसे कह रही हैं कि सारी चीज़ों को बात करने का मतलब, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि ये सारी चीज़ें जहन में घूमती रहती हैं और ये चीज़ें क्लोज हैं, तो इसीलिए मुझे कहने के लिए मैं और भी उतावला हूँ और कहने में उतनी ही शिद्दत लगाना चाहता हूँ.
But when we talk of short stories, like short stories वो ओ हेनरी की तरह भी होती हैं, और फिर काफका की कुछ अलग स्टाइल है, बट ये कहानी simplicity is the core. How tricky it is to stick to this simplicity but still make it complex. I mean, I personally believe as a writer and a journalist that simple is the most difficult.
The only answer to it is that I think I had a lot of time to process through it, and I had a lot of people supporting it. My co-writer Sumit Saxena, with whom I bounced off, and actually involved many people from the community so that I can hone my narrative.
Aditi, my question is for you. What was the chemistry between you and Coco? Both are amazing actors. Oh my God.
I actually never thought I'd get an opportunity to work with Coco, even with Neeraj for that matter. I've always wanted to work with Neeraj ever since I saw Masaan, and Coco, of course, I've always been a fan of. She's just so amazing as a person and as an actor, and she's like Coco's not somebody I meet often, or like we're in and out of each other's homes or whatever, but she's somebody I really like, really trust. She's so genuine, she's so kind and caring, and she's just a really present, generous actor. So I feel like people talk about chemistry, but actually chemistry is just, to me, it's really about trust. Because when you trust the person in front of you, and when there's a generosity, then you are free to explore, be yourself. You know that that person is not going to judge you, and I think that's a really lovely way. I mean, that's a really nice co-actor relationship to have, and it makes life very happy and effortless.
Aditi, the kind of roles that you have decided to play, we don't see you a lot on screen. We want to see more of you on screen. लेकिन अब जिस तरीके से कंटेंट बन रहा है, क्या हम एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि हम आपको ज्यादा देखेंगे स्क्रीन पर?
You probably don't see me so much because like I divide my time between Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. So because I work in all these industries, it's like I'll do one film in Tamil, one film in Telugu, one film in Malayalam, one film in Hindi. But I feel like the kind of love and acceptance from all those industries and from the people there that I get, like I'm really enjoying that. Also, the variety of scripts, the roles, the kind of directors that I want to work with, the content, and just to be able to be an Indian film actor, it's a real thrill, and I look forward to working like that. Having said that, if you're saying, will I do more Hindi films? It's not about the language. Like to me, films are stories. Stories are meant to make you feel something, and language is not a barrier. Nothing should be a barrier. Actually, it's really about people taking you home with them in their heart, and then coming back to look for you the next time something is announced, whether it's in Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, or Hindi. And I think. Though I mean, I love the theater and theatricals are so magical, but the OTT platforms have actually really brought our film universe closer, because now people are just watching all kinds of content from all over the country and the world. So it's a happy place to be, and I'm so happy. I dreamt this dream of being, of doing different languages. I know that. Some amazing actors before me have done it as well, but I consider myself very blessed to be getting these opportunities from some amazing filmmakers.
One last question to Neeraj. I was reading one of Aditi's interview where she said that she didn't expect that she'd get a role like this and she would get to work with you. Why did you choose to work with her?
I think both of them are such intelligent artists, because they could comprehend the complexity of these characters that they're playing, that it could be this one or that one. And also, I think I also somewhere wanted to subvert the idea of a manic pixie dream girl. And ye jo hota hai, and somewhere I think Aditi's been shown like that. I thought to subvert, she bringing in this A game into it, that'll be the best. To see the manic pixie dream girl through a woman's point of view. That is the subversion that we wanted to do.
Yeah.
And Aditi also comes from a place where she had no judgment to the characters. So did Konkana. I think that's how it worked very well, because they became characters that they weren't playing something, oh, this is how it is, I'm going to do this. They became those characters. And that was lovely.
So I want, Aditi, you to ask one question to Neeraj, and Neeraj, I want you to ask one question to Aditi.
I'm not going to ask Neeraj the question that everybody's asking, when will you make your second film? I won't ask you that. I'll ask you, Neeraj, why are you so hard on yourself? You're so brilliant. Why are you so... I can understand never being content. That's different. As in never being like, lackadaisical and just like, I did it, it's fine. But you are so hard on yourself. Oh my God.
I know that is something that I'm trying to work on, because I critique myself too much, and I should learn to...
You're mean to yourself.
Agreed. What do I want to ask? Aditi, are you the Mayan Cotillard of India?
Ooh.
Beautiful looking and great actor at the same time.
Whoa. Wow, coming from you, I'll take that compliment as well.
It was a question.
It was a question, as he says.
Do I think? No, yeah. How will I think that? But I'll just say, no. Go on.
Thank you so much, Aditi. You are so.
Thank you so much.
So gorgeous.
Thank you.
And Neeraj, I wanted to tell you something. I watched some clip of Mastaan once again, like 4 days back, and it made me cry with my chai.
Yeah, it's too good.
I'm thankful that we have people like you making films.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Thank you.